Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to download Netflix app in your MacBook. So if you are using MacBook M1 chip, M2 chip, you can easily download Netflix in your Netflix app in your MacBook. So what you have to do, first just open a Chrome browser. Okay, so like this, and now here you have to search for netflix.com. Okay, now you have to log in your account and you will see like this. Now here you have to click on this three dot and go to save and share option. Just click on save and share, and here you will see create shortcut. Okay, now just click on open as a window and click on create, and after that now you have to close it, and here you have to just go to the finder, and here you have to search for Netflix. Okay, Netflix, and now what you have to do, now you have to right click here and rename it. Okay, so I'm going to rename it Netflix. Okay, now what you have to do, now just click on it, and now you have to drag to the applications. Okay, like this, and now go to the launchpad, and you will see that Netflix has been installed in my MacBook. So like this you can install Netflix app in your mobile in your MacBook. So if you like the video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.